Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World, or Fuge Across the World, chapter 62. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Bing Singtang, it seems that today is a busy day. It seems that everyone seems to be in normal, but looking at it, there's a sudden visitor came in, and it's look troublesome person that might be going to interrupt the regular business. Brother Tian, this is the famous casino. It's not ours. It seems that Brother Tian helping Mr. Feng to find out what risks could be Bisingtang is after recently. It seems that it's all about Mr. Feng again, that troubled person. Isn't it because you lost all your money and other casinos you still haven't paid it back? Stop talking nonsense, Mr. Tian said to the subordinates. But looking on the other side, Keyunji, she was busy on her work. Your wine, sir, the gentleman said thanks. But right now, Mr. Tian, turns out that she really noticed Keyunji, or she really knows Keyunji. I am dazzled. Well, it seems to. Isn't this just the woman who talked to me at the fair that night? It was so dark that I almost don't find you. Oh, she remembered on that night, Keyunji and others made it appear and got to hold the hands of the rarest teas. Ah, it's that guy. Why is he here? Right now, Keyunji. She wants to run away. But the man said, stop. Now, she's been discovered. There's a problem with the account, so be it. Okay, Sister Sin. Sister Sin, it's not good. Right now, one of the employee was rushing through. What happened? She said. Right now, looking at the man, he seems to be exhausted and worried about something. Hearing this, Sister C, right now, she was really curious about the news. The man is telling her the situation downstairs. Hearing things, now someone wanting Keyunji. She seems to be shocked. Of course, it was Keyunji, the one that she loved for. Now, she will rush through and go and save her girl. But, right now, Sister C said to them, go on, bring my brothers to follow me. The servant said, yes. Oh, this is getting crazy. How she can handle. Personally, especially in this case, she rushed through to save Yunji. Well, she really need to save Yunji. Because that night, that case happened because of the fishing tang. Where else do you want to hide? Sir, I don't know you at all. Now, Sister C came with a lot of brothers, so she can confront this man. Well, what's going on? What will gonna happen? Is the boss isn't finally safe? Right now, Gayunji seems to be worried about Sister C. Of course, Sister C. She was here to confront an unwanted visitor in Bisintang. Sister C said, or should I call you Brother Chan? I forgot that Cheng Bing's mother is a difficult person. Sister, long time no see. Gayunji on the background, she's trying to run away. Turns out they knew each other's before. How come they have never heard to mention it? Anyway, let's take the opportunity to go run away. Brother Ving and I are so good together, so don't say it too ugly. Brother Shan said to Sister C. She said, don't get me wrong, I won't speak for Shen Bing. So now, this is getting crazy. The confrontation, it was really unavoidable. It seems that Brother Chan don't really respect for others. Sister C said, I just simply don't like people like you. Shen being silly doesn't know how much money to swallow, but I know it very well. Sister C said to Brother Chan, well, it was a good gathering and good to disperse big joke. Stop talking nonsense, Lu Shixing. Now, it really makes sense, Sister C said to Brother Chan. It was really funny. Now, it seems that everything is getting heated up. This is my side of Liu Ling Xing. Stop you. Still need to reason. I don't need a reason to throw you out. Sister C said to Brother Chan. It seems that Brother Chan, he is not bothered anymore. Grandmas, what about the silly? Why it's only me, one person? Now he is asking why put all the blame to him. You Lin let me tell the truth. I'm here to find someone. Oh, it turns out she really want to find Gayunji. A stinky woman disguised as a man. As long as you hand over her, I won't tell Feng Ye about this today. Oh, it seems that she's being accused, but right now I don't have the number. Now, Mr. Chan said, I see it. Are you in a gang? Now, Mr. Chan, he is accusing Mr. C, but it seems that everything is not right. And so on. Going to arrest Mr. Chan. I haven't finished speaking yet. Now, Mr. Chan, he must be really angry and she really want to find Gayunji. Calling your sister is to give you respect, but I really treat myself like a green onion. I think Shengbing was eliminated by you. Now, it seems that you're going to attack the man. Brother Chan, he was still getting angry. Sister C, is he crazy? How dare? Right now, Mr. Tian, he is going to come closer to Sister C. Also, really concerning the actions of Brother Chan. Boss, be careful. I want to save her. Now, Brother Chan, he was holding a dagger. Sister C, she was calling Little Ge. Seems that she was really confused. Also, she was really concerned that someone might happen to her. Ah, a man. So, Mr. Tian, he was really right now. Yunji is only pretending to be a man, and he is a woman. Since Gayunji has been caught on the act, now, Sister C, protect Gayunji. I see where you can go. Brother Chan, he was really laughing. Now, there's a loud sound. Turns out, a chair has been dragged to her. And now, looking at Mr. Chan, he seems to be not in good condition. Well, it was really his punishment, trying to scare Sister C. Yunji, she was really surprised when Mr. Chan falls on the floor. Sister C said to them, "You will be punished." She looks really scary. Well, it seems to be. Hey guys, thanks for the support. Fanatic LOL, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. If you like to support, you can join in by clicking the join membership button. Bye!